So this is where the outlet exploded.
A frightening Sunday night for Sarah Heck in Edmond after her home was hit by lightning. She said she had just gotten her son ready for bed when she heard a loud bang.
It was so loud, I thought like either lightning struck the windows somehow or like the wind blew the windows out. It was really, really loud.
It was powerful enough that it blew this outlet out of the wall and scorched it.
I came in here and just found all the pieces everywhere.
After realizing another outlet was burned, she called 911 and they came out to investigate.
They brought some type of instrument that looked at checked the temperature in the walls and made sure it wasn't hot, looked in the attic.
But it's just a dangerous situation whenever you have a storm like that moving through town.
Fortunately, no active fire was found, but they did say a breaker tripped.
That's a situation that we treat that like any other.
This was also in the middle of a fairly busy night for Benny Fulkerson in the Oklahoma City Fire Department, being just one of potentially 8 lightning strike calls, one of which was near I-240 in South Walker, a grass fire that they think could have been caused by lightning. They also had multiple calls to help people stranded in their cars in high water.
We actually assisted people out of the vehicles into a safer area.
Luckily, Heck was only left with some electrical issues, including a couple of potentially broken TVs that they're trying to get fixed up soon.
It was very scary.